So I really don't know what is inside this package, because I have ordered too many packages from and products from AliExpress, and this one I don't know what is it. It's a mystery box. Let's open it and see what is inside. Does it come with bubbles? No. But take a look. The package is in perfect condition. And what kind of product I have ordered? More fixed screwdriver set. And how many bits are there? And tools. Okay. And I have paid for this screwdriver set $24. And you can choose red, gray or blue. And it's a 115-in-1 precision screwdriver set, mini professional magnetic repair tool kit, suitable for phone, computer, electronics repair. And they have sold with 800 plus and 4.6 stars rating. And I found it interesting, and that's why I ordered it. And of course I got it, and now I'm gonna open it. Let's see this 115 tool set. Oh, bubbles inside the package. Oh, ooh, beautiful. Oh, and it comes in nice box from both sides. Alright. What it says here? 90N precision screwdriver accessories. We have the handle, the flexible extension shaft, extension bar, tweezers, plastic pry tools, SIM card removal, magnetizer, demagnetizer. What it says that way? Suction cup, opening picks, bit holder for power screwdriver. Whoa, take a look, they're not kidding. They are 150. Let's open it. Precision work tool kit. Okay. What it says? Come on, man. What is handle? First we're gonna see the handle. And the plastic, I can feel it that it's not top. It's not the best quality, but this is rubber on the sides with some plastic. Alright. What it says next? Extension bar. Probably is this one. Whoa. How to add it? Oh, this is removable, and you can choose whatever length you want. Beautiful. If I remove it, and I can place this one or no. How is this going, man? Okay, we're gonna see later. What it says? Flexible extension shaft. Really is flexible. It's going like this. You can place your bit right here and work. By holding it, it's not spinning, but there is inside there is a moving part. Nice. Alright. What it says? It says that it have tweezers. Alright. These 3 plastic pry tools with different shapes. Come on, man. These are used for repairing phones. Alright. Come on. Okay. And this is the suction cup. Oh, it stucks very well. Alright. I like this extension bar. It's nice. Okay. Now we're gonna see from the other side. Oh, I forgot to count how many we have here. Oh, here it is, the seam tool also. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 from this side. And from here, how many we have? You can pause the video and you can read all the bits that are included in the kit. And by the way, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, 100 bits. Plus 9 from here, 109. And also we have this tool which is demagnetize and magnetize tool. And also we have 6 opening picks, different sizes. So we have 109, 109 plus 6, 115, and this is 116. Oh, it's pretty accurate, the description title of this product. We have different bits, and let's take one. Oh, it have a magnet, take a look. Beautiful. But I like this expansion. Alright. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see all the bits. This is included also in the description. 115 in 1 precision screwdriver. Okay. Tackle and repair task with confidence using our comprehensive 115 in 1 screwdriver set. Precision screwdriver set, the ultimate repair companion. Alright. Okay, I think that for around $24 you can't get better than this. And yes, there are included 115 bits and tools, and I like it because everything is organized very well in 2 separate compartments, and the extension, flexible extension, which is this part, I like it. We have the tweezers, the suction cup, and these 3 plastic pry tools, the handle. It's nice. Oh no, so we have, just to grab a bit, take a look, you can place it right here on this opening. Is it for that or no? I'm pretty sure that is for that. Alright. Or maybe it's for the attachments. Let's see one more time. Easy. Okay. Let's try. This can go here. I think but it's a little bit loose, but it's working. Alright, never mind. Alright, the link will be in the description below so you can check it. And that was all for today's video review, which was this cheap but affordable screwdriver kit from AliExpress. And I love it because I have all kind of bits, which is awesome. Thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Oh, I didn't try this one. The magnetizer and demagnetizer. It's not magnetized. Oh, it's like a north and south pole.